Hello and welcome to this very short, quick yoga flow. I know that we're short on time, we might be even short on space, so we want to get right into our practice. So when you're ready, I am going to invite us to start in a kneeling position, and you might have the toes tucked or on, depending on what works best for you. Casually beginning to take the hands onto the lap, and then we'll casually begin to take the chin down towards the chest. Taking a round of breath here. We'll begin to lift the chin, taking the arms up overhead. Left hand grabbing that right fingertips. We'll begin to take a gentle side stretch over the face you're going to aspire to mirror. And from here, we'll come back through center, right hand grabbing that left side, tilting over. And through center, cactusing, opening up the chest. Taking the hands up, we'll begin to take a twist, right hand along that left thigh. Hands rising. We'll take that on the opposite side. Hands rising up overhead. What we'll begin to do is take the hands down into the heart, begin to explore a diamond shape with the index fingers and the thumbs. And we can stay right here, making some space. Otherwise, taking the fingertips up overhead. And we'll begin to circle the arms. And once we feel we got a bit of rhythm with the arms, we'll begin to incorporate the waist and the torso. So it's going to feel awkward, but hopefully it feels really good in the end. Eventually, we'll begin to take the diamond back up overhead and then down and towards the heart. Palms coming towards each other. We'll begin to come up onto the knees and begin to take, as I wobble, taking that left foot forward. From here, we're going to begin to come into a sage pose. So this right foot's going to begin to go towards the outer edge. We'll begin to sit down, left hand coming onto the inside of that leg. Right arm beginning to rise and beginning to tilt. We'll begin to take that right hand down, lifting, taking that right foot back, arms rising, left hand grabbing that right side. We'll begin to tilt. And center, gently beginning to release the hands. We're going to take our left leg behind us just for a moment. And then we'll begin to bring the knee in towards the armpit and having that ankle on the thigh. We can stay here just readjusting. Otherwise, beginning to lift the torso up. Taking the arms, taking that diamond, beginning to circle. You might not get the waist in so much this time. Casually beginning to release the hands down. From here, we might stay just for a little bit longer. Maybe we come into a balance, tucking that right toe, left ankle coming onto that right thigh, pressing ourselves. We can stay here. Maybe the hands begin to come onto the thigh. Maybe we take hands to heart. Beneficial if you've got a wall as well. I'll begin to come back through, detangling that left leg, taking a curtsy, taking it over towards that right side. We'll begin to bring that left knee back down, lifting the torso as we bring that right leg forward. We'll take this on the other side, so that left leg going over towards the right, coming to our sage, right arm. Staying left hand might rise, maybe we begin to tilt. Left hand coming down, beginning to come back through. We'll take the hands down, right leg coming back. We'll take that figure of four. So imagine the knee going towards the armpit, ankle onto that left thigh. Again, we can lift, taking the arms, staying. Maybe we circle. Hands coming back down. We can linger. We're beginning to explore that toe bounce, tucking the toe, lifting the knee away. Taking a breath or two here. And with support, we'll begin to take that left knee down, detangling. Taking that right leg, curtsy. We'll begin to bring both knees back down to the earth. Taking the arms up. Right hand grabbing that left. And center left hand grabbing that right side. I'll take the hands up overhead and then slowly down into the heart. Casually taking the gaze to the hands and gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you so much for joining me for this very short, quick yoga flow, again, that we can do any time of day or in any limited space. I'll see you again soon.